Python object, type and inheritance. In Python, I can define a class, foo, in the following ways. Or, what is the difference? I have tried to use the function isUbClass, foo, object, to see if it returns true for both class definitions. It does not. Thanks.
Inheriting from object makes a class a new style class. There is a discussion of old style versus new style here. What is the difference between old style and new style classes in Python? As that crazy juggler drummer commented below, in Python 3 all classes are new style classes. In Python 3, the following two declarations are exactly equivalent.
The first creates an old style class, which are deprecated and have been removed in Python 3. You should not use it in Python 2.x. See the documentation for the Python data model.
Old style and new style objects, they have slightly different behaviors, for example in the constructors, or in the method resolution order in multiple inheritance.